Hi everyone, welcome back to Pilates for New Moms, Part 2. Today's workout is just going to be a quick 10-minute Pilates strengthening exercise that is going to be perfect for you to do when you just have a couple minutes to squeeze in a few movements to regain your strength in your abdominals, tone up your body, and hopefully de-stress a little bit. So this workout is aimed at women who are at least 6 weeks out from having a child. And of course, I'm assuming that you have checked with your doctor before beginning any kind of workout routine. So let's go ahead and get started. Like we talked about in part 1, it's going to take you some time to re-engage your abdominals, to refine that connection. They've been stretched and used in new ways, so you need to be patient with yourself as you begin to find that connection again. So some of the things I'm saying might not click to you yet at this point, but they will if you stick with it and continue to try to re-engage your abdominal muscles. So let's just sit tall. That feels good as it is, just lifting up onto your low back to take some pressure out of your lumbar spine. We're going to place our hands, let's place them on top of our knees. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, you're going to begin to roll back through your low back, drawing your belly towards your spine, and just go to the point where your arms reach straight. So that's as far as we're going to go. You're stretching through your shoulders and your back, just rounding back. Should feel good. From here, pull your abdominals in, round yourself back up, drop your shoulders, and then go into just a slight back extension. So feel your shoulders drop down and back, your chest lift towards the ceiling, and then again, round back out. Exhale as you go. Feeling a nice deep curve of your spine. Pull the belly button in as you roll back up and go into one more back extension. Open the chest. And this time, release your arms. Stack up nice and tall. We're going to go into rollbacks. So, beginning to find that connection where you feel like you're pulling your belly button back and in. Pull it away from your thighs. Take an inhale. As you exhale, just roll partway back. About to where your low back touches the mat. Keep your arms down, your shoulders down, and roll yourself back up. Stack tall. Inhale again. Exhale, tuck your low back. Roll through it with control. Pull your abdominals in to stack back up. Now, if you are just starting out, I encourage you to just go about partway back, maybe right about here. Pull your abdominals in to round back up. Just be patient with yourself as you work through it. It's going to feel a lot different than it did before, and that's okay. Roll back up. And one more, rolling back. Keep your shoulders dropping away from your ears as you stack your spine back up. And this time, roll yourself all the way down. One bone at a time with control if you can. There you go. Now you scoot yourself down a little bit. Place your feet flat on the floor, knees bent. Our legs are hip distance apart. Just rest your arms long down by your side and feel your shoulders open. Dropping into the mat, collarbone is wide and open. Take an inhale. As you exhale, we're going to flatten the low back down into the mat and then just release. Tiny little movement, but good for the low back. Pull the belly in, tuck the pelvis, and just release. Little rocks like that. Exhale. Inhale, release. One more, exhale. Inhale, release. Let's take it into the full pelvic curl. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to start with that same motion, but then peel yourself up one vertebra at a time into a bridged position. Now check in with yourself. You want to be in a straight line from your shoulder all the way to your knees. So you're not pushing up as high as you can, but rather keeping your abdominals together. Keep your ribs closed. So your ribs are knitting together on the front of your body. Your knees are aligned with your toes. And as you roll back down, you're going to try to touch each vertebra down to the mat one at a time. Loosening up those tight low back muscles as you work through. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, pull the belly button in and peel your torso up. Lifting, getting a nice stretch through the front of the chest, but also beginning to feel some connection in the back of the leg and in the abdominals. Roll yourself back down. We're going to do one more like that. Inhale to prepare and exhale to peel up. Good. Feels good, doesn't it? Let's go ahead and roll all the way back down. From here, draw one knee up to tabletop at a time. So your legs should be at a 90-degree angle to the floor. Arms long down by your side. We're going to reach one leg away and pull back in using your abdominals. So you kind of keep your thighs kind of soft and relaxed. They're not really doing the work. They're just reaching out. And your abs are pulling the leg back in. Again, you may not quite get that sensation yet, but stay with it. Keep thinking about it, and soon your body will begin to react. Inhale and exhale. Now, if your low back hurts during this exercise, then just don't go quite all the way to the ground. Just keep it smaller, just like this. Good. Keep going. One more set here. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down and exhale up. Hug both knees in towards you to release your low back. Rock side to side. And from here, take your knees to tabletop. We're going to go into what's called double leg stretch. Gently grab behind your thighs. You're going to pull the belly button down as you lift your chest up to gaze towards your thighs. Now, inhale, reach your arms and legs. Exhale, circle around to touch your shins. Inhale, reach and circle. If you're new, keep your knees bent and just do your arms. And add the arms when you're ready, otherwise we reach. Your chest stays lifted the whole time. Try to keep your shoulders away from your ears. Let's do 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Circle around. Keep your knees in tabletop. Rest your head. Hug your right knee in towards your chest. Stretch your left leg out and switch. Your chest is resting, but your belly's pulling in. And reach. Exhale. Exhale. Go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, lift your chest. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both knees in. Rest all the way down. Stretch your legs long down the mat. From here, we're going to take one leg straight up. And again, if you're new, I'd like you to bend your bottom knee for support. Perhaps bending your top leg as well. Eventually, we'll get to straight legs. This is for stability of your core, so regaining that strength and stable sensation in your hips. So from here, I want you to keep your hips absolutely still. As you cross the leg over the center line of your body, circle it down, around, over, and up. Now, it might be a smaller circle. If you feel really loose and wobbly, which you probably are after just having a baby, then just keep it small. We have to expand here, right, when you have a child, so it's normal to not feel in control. And circle. Just focus on keeping that pelvis really still, those hips really still. 2 more in this direction, and exhale, up. Reverse. Go out and up, and out and up. And 4. 4 more. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bend your knee in, give it a little hug. Stretch your leg long. Let's do the other side. Pull the navel in, shoulders are down and back. Cross over the midline of the body, circle the leg down, around, and up. And 4. Again, trying to stay nice and still. 2 more. 7 and 8. Reverse. Go 8. 7, 6, and 5, and 4, 3, and 2. Good job. And 1. Bring the leg up, bend it in, give it a little hug. We're going to end with the 100, so your knees come to tabletop. We're going to stay beginner here with knees bent since we're just beginning to welcome back the abdominal muscles. Take an inhale to prepare, an exhale to curl up. Reach your arms by your hips and pulse. And we inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stay nice and lifted in the chest and pump your arms. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. We're halfway there. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, last breath. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees in. Give yourself a hug. And let's rock yourself up to seated. We're going to end with a little mermaid stretch. From here, sit in the Z position. Take your arm out to just a little bit wider than your shoulder. You're going to find a long diagonal line. Take an inhale and exhale, stretch over. Good for you to stretch out your back like this. After holding your child. And open back up and stretch up and over. You remember this one from last time. Let's switch the legs around. Take your arm out, long diagonal line, and pull your belly in as you twist and stretch over towards your opposite arm, feeling a nice rotation of the spine. Take a big deep breath here. Open back up into that long diagonal line and lift up and over to stretch. Good. So it's a quick little routine, but if you do this every day, if you can, or at least 5 days a week, you'll begin to notice a big difference in the strength in your core, and hopefully you'll be able to feel a little bit less tension in your body.